Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at ATS Happy Trails project which is located in Noida Extension. So friends, we are on the project location and from here you can take the exterior view of project site. This project is widely spread over 8.50 acres of land and consists of 12 number of towers with 28 number of floors each. So friends, here you can take a view of ongoing construction work. This project offers spacious and skillfully designed 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's a premium project by ATS Group. So as here you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.